Hey, so we're back with Casey. He just finished securing the camera up here. That will, yeah, now you can see it. So I was just gonna have Casey kind of just walk you through and tell you how he placed the camera. If you want to go.
Yeah. We mounted it to the awning right there. Ran the outdoor cable to it with a PoE. RFID, and then it'll be watching this parking lot and the door, and there's also a dome inside there to watch whoever comes through the door as well.
And then
per customer.
After this, you're going to be installing this same camera on the opposite side.
Yep, to watch that parking lot.
So you'll be able to see each side of the building, and then who's walking up is the gist of it, so they can see everyone that's entering.
Yes.
Cool. And does it see, well, I guess you can see who's about to walk up the stairs, essentially.
Yeah, I'll see the steps.
And then that second camera inside.
We'll see who enters in.
Who enters in.
Yep.
Cool. I guess I was going to ask. I mean, really, that's, yeah, you don't think that there's anything necessary more for just than the two cameras?
No.
That covers all of it?
Yep, that covers all of it. And then we got the one camera on the other side of the building.
And then once you install it, how do you have to test it to make sure that they can see it on the
once we get the NVR hooked up, we'll program it.
What an NVR is.
It's the network recorder.
Okay.
So it records all the camera actions and stuff. So
is that kind of what you were saying on the app, how you can save it and see it? And,
yep.
Okay.
Same thing. We'll set that up. We'll add them to the NVR, the network recorder, and we'll be able to adjust it so we can see where exactly we want it, to pinpoint the locations of each camera, and then it'll be set up and ready to record.
Do you typically, when you sit down, like sit down with the customer and let them say, are these angles okay? Are these angles what you're looking for?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
And then you can kind of give them recommendations on how you recommend.
Yep.
Cool. Awesome. Well, thanks.
You're welcome.
If anyone, do we want to watch him do the other one? It's not very exciting.